So this is the top layer. I mean, loads of work goes into each one, and because it's dessert, you have to be so careful. So I'm just hoping that that pays off for me now.
Saliha has got 3 parts to her dessert. If you like, she's got 3 separate desserts.
That's really important that gets done like right now, okay?
Yeah.
And they've all got to set. So she's got to make them, lock them away, and just pray that they set.
Saliha has got her chocolate mousse in to cook. Now she can focus all her energy on the hardest part of her dish, Thai spiced granita.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a Thai curry for dessert.
With strong flavours of ginger, galangal, coriander, lemongrass and lime, balancing this dish will be a test of her palate.
So the things you've got to be careful here is going to be the ginger because it's so fiery.
Yeah.
So play it in smaller amounts, let it infuse, taste it.
I just want it to work. I'm really desperate for it to work, actually, if you know what I mean.
It's a new dish for her, you know, she's using spices and aromats in a dessert, so it's almost like confusing. So she's had to taste it. Is it right?
I think it needs a bit more.
Add some more, taste it again. Yeah?
Yeah. So I'm just letting it cool down, and then I should put it in the freezer. Still liquid.
That's fine.
Last up is Saliha.
About halfway up?
We're just over halfway, yeah.
Okay.
Her granita has to be set using liquid nitrogen. At minus 196 degrees Celsius, it freezes the mixture solid in a matter of seconds.
Yeah, this is definitely a Sat dish, isn't it, really? Granita is not what I would typically put with chocolate. So whoever's in the pastry sections has got a tough job today.
The plating bit is the tricky bit. So getting these out and then getting the white chocolate on top of them is really hard.
So this is a dessert from a 2-star Michelin chef. I mean, there is nowhere to hide with this dish. I mean, it's not a dish that I would do, so I can't imagine what these people are going through just now. I mean, I'm fascinated to see what this dish is. I'm so excited.
Very cool.
Very cool.
That's enough. Beautiful. Last one, and shout service because it's got to go quick.
Service, please. Thank you.
How good was that?
It's amazing. I mean, I never thought that my favourite chutney ingredients could make the most incredible dessert ever. It was only 3 things, yet it took over 3 hours to make it. It's unbelievable.
Saliha has served chocolate mousse, layered with yogurt mousse, topped with a Thai spiced granita.
Yeah, it just smells like a Thai curry.
Yeah.
Yes, fresh.
But it's chocolate.
Yeah.
The chocolate mousse, I mean, it's just so rich and delicious. The yogurt, and then this granita that you're talking about. I mean, I don't even know how they did it. The flavors are so intense. I mean, it's a really wonderful dish.
For me, it's probably my favourite dish of the day. I don't want it to end, and I think that's the key to to a great dish.
And that is a spectacular dish, and one that I will certainly remember for a while.
And these guys would have only seen this recipe today, and this is their first crack at it. You've got to get it right. And yeah, I think they've absolutely nailed it.
It starts off like a curry, then goes sweet, and finishes in chocolate. It's the most extraordinary thing. This is going to open up a whole new world for Saliha. A whole new world.